Hello, welcome to 1103 Indiana Avenue in Porte. Here is the front of the home. This is going for $92,900 currently. There's a little shed in the back along the driveway, and then there's a little backyard over here for entertaining or little play area. It's partially fenced in, and there's access through the back door. So going back through the front, there are a set of French doors leading out to that front porch area, and then this is the living area. Now, the current seller is an artist, so that's why you see, instruments and paintings. But this home is well kept. It needs very little maintenance. There is beautiful hardwood floor throughout, and it kind of has an open design where the living room flows into the dining room and then into the kitchen. The kitchen is very large. It has some storage space. There's a little pantry in that corner and some cabinetry over here. So there is a laundry setup in the back area over here, and then that's the back door that leads into the backyard. And then over here are the steps into the basement, and the basement is just basically a storage area. And then here's another bedroom. Lots of windows, so this home lets in a lot of good natural light, and the closet is over here. So that is, there's 3 bedrooms. So there are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So we are going to head that way. So over here, we're heading into another bedroom. This is a very big room, tall ceilings, and a big walk-in closet. You can see all the beautiful artwork, and you can see some of his instruments, but there is the closet. Over here is the full bathroom. There's some storage space right there, and the shower and toilet, and these ceilings are also pretty high as well. So that door that you see actually leads into that other bedroom. And then obviously this is the other bedroom with the closet. And that is all. We hope to see you soon for a showing.